Kelvinator commercial.
Hey world, this is Refrigeration.com. Hey, just want to make a quick video about why we may be losing the battle, or why we are losing the battle to Chinese or different manufacturing overseas. Yeah, they're maybe cheaper, but they might also be putting out a better quality product, because look at the connections over here. I'm trying to get my camera, sorry about that guys, but look, they're doing all the connections on a terminal strip so it's easier to diagnose, and they're also shrink tubing the connectors. So I hope you guys can see that. It's a little dark, but anyways, let's see if I tap on that. Sorry guys, hit the volume button and I turned the video off. Anyways, continuation video. Anyhow, so also look at the welding. When they do a weld, they throw a quick bit of paint over it so you don't corrode, you know, and you know, so they're looking at you know, they're making, and also these units just pull out. They're on a slide tray, you know, so they're putting the engineering behind it, you know, and they're look at the dryer so it doesn't rub, you know, and get a hole in it. You got a cheapo little piece of foam and a wire tie, but at least they do something, you know. And they got the stuff, they got the hot gas line. See if I can put this in here. The hot gas line running through the pan. They actually, I don't know, hopefully you can see it. Crap, hopefully you can see. But they're putting shrink tubing around the tubing so it doesn't corrode out as fast. So, let's see if I can get that over there. Hopefully it'll come out on the bigger video. Maybe I'll get some light on it. Hang on. Maybe I can get some light in here. Hang on. Yeah, maybe that'll light it up better. So there we go. So you can see the shrink tubing on the line. So they're putting you know, the plastic shrink tubing around the copper so it doesn't corrode out as quick. So I don't think the American manufacturers are doing that. So anyhow, but just wanted to, and they also they're they're also throwing the schematic up, you know, so you know, you can read the diagram, and they got everything just right on the back of the unit, so it makes it easier to diagnose for troubleshooting. So they got some good engineering behind these things, and also the panels, you know, come off, and you can slide the cords out of the deals if you want to. And so we got to put Americans got to put a little bit more engineering if they want to win the battle. Okay, thanks for watching. All right, like the video. Thanks. This video, Refrigeration.com.